Hey, this is Yvette with Vanderbrink Auctions. We are down in Texas getting ready for the Dennis Collins Collection Restoration Revival. Everything from project cars to parts cars and cars for Rod. So I thought before I head north back to the snow, I'll show you a few of the things that we got here. Here we have an assortment of Cadillacs. Most everything here is going to have a title. Now, if you're a Texas resident, you're going to have all those Texas fees. Everything is as is, where is. And so make sure to check the website. It is a $50 registration fee, but who knows, you might win some swag. And who knows, that 50 bucks gets you in the door, plus a guest, and parking. And Dennis has got a lot of friends, who knows, going to be here. Here's our GTO row. Over here we've got a Bug-Eyed Sprite, a Niki Lauda Spider, and some friends. There's a big block in that pickup. But here's our GTO row. These are all parts cars, but remember, this is Texas iron, guys. Little Bug-Eyed Sprite. Over here we have our 1980s death row. For those of you that remember riding three-wheelers when they first came out till 1987 when the last one was made, yep, that's right. Those little foot pegs of death there, so after you got done doing your stunt, yep, the calves might have been slipped underneath there, and yeah, very painful. Also, I want you to go back to YouTube, and Dennis and I were doing a video, and at 12 minutes and 1 second in that video, look back in the trees in the video when we're over here. There's a mountain lion about 100 feet away from us. Go back and watch that video. Here we have some really good cars for Rod and restore. There's a 35 Chevy. And this is that Rod row. Shoebox Fords, a 40 Chevy convertible. There's our GTO row again. Over here is a Trans Am road, so this is basically our Pontiac section. Whole bunch of Trans Ams and Firebirds there. Over here is our Camaro section, 69 to 82. Here's some more cars for Rod Restore. Show you one of my little faves up here. Check out that Chevy. Just drop your motor in and ready to go. Over here we have a 73 Charger and a 68 Charger. Some more Camaros. Make sure to watch Dennis Collins and Coffee Walk and Richard Rawlings. They've got all kinds of videos on these. Here's a 73 Challenger. There's that 68 Charger. More Camaros, and these are for project parts. Remember, most everything's gonna have a title. Here's some Corvettes. Now, this 69 Camaro is a big block car. Has a big block remove's got a small block in it, but she's rusty. She's seen some better days. Now, I bet you're wondering, why is there a Jaguar here? This is the Heinz Cannonball car that Richard and Dennis went searching for. There's more of our Camaro row too. And they found it, bought it, and then they beat the record. And this is the car that held the record before they did. Over here, this is an Oldsmobile. And we believe it to be a W30, cannot confirm it. See, Oldsmobile guys need to come and take a look at that. Down here are T-Birds And more Pontiacs. It's a 62 Oldsmobile. I'm going pretty fast, but you can go back and watch more videos on Coffee Walk. I'll be posting some more, and Richard Rawlings will be posting some more. Over here is some Impalas. This is a 63 Impala, came out of Houston. Very, very clean car. Power Collides in the trunk. It's got a 283 in it. One owner car. This is lot 122T. Over here, I'll show you this. Some more Oldsmobiles. Here's a Cutlass convertible. But over here on the end, this is a real shaker Cobra Jet Torino. Cobra, excuse me. Another Oldsmobile. The catalog is live, guys, so make sure to check them out. Now, you bet you're looking at that weird little Toyota. Most of these were overseas, but that is a club cab Toyota. We're moving things around. Right here is a 70 Charger, 70 Coronet RT. 70 Coronet RT, and that is a great car for restore. Next to it, we got an Eldorado. Here's another Coronet. This is a 1963 Chrysler 300. They made about 500 or so of these for pace cars. This has no track time, but it is one of them that went to the dealers. There's another Oldsmobile. Now we think the motor to our W30, if that's what it is in this car. We cannot confirm. On the end we have a Jimmy Blazer type, different pickups, travel all, lots of rod stuff. We'll come back to this one, but lots of cool stuff. These are early in the sale. We're going to start at 9:30 so we can get you out of here. Here's our Mustang row, a Cordoba. Over here, now you wonder, did somebody paint that with house paint? No, this is a 1967 Mustang GT 390 4-speed car in a dusk rose. We have a Marty report. That's the original color, very rare, believed to be one of 4. But these are our Mustang and Fairlanes. 71. More pickups. But anyway, we want you to come on out to the Restoration Revival presented by Dennis Collins and Coffee Walk. This is first round, and we're going to be starting at 9:30. Gates open at 7. We're in Nevada, Texas. You can bid now. Catalog is live. We're going to be adding a few more at vanderbrinkauctions.com, or make sure to follow, like, subscribe, all the above to Vanderbrink Auctions on YouTube. Also Coffee Walk. And go also to Gas Monkey Garage. There will be some stuff there too. But we want to see you. This is a live auction with online bidding in Nevada, Texas on April 29th, 9:30 a.m. It's live on site with online bidding. You need to be here. Who knows will be here? Those guys know a lot of people. So we'll see you in Nevada, Texas, April 29th. Gates open at 7. Have any questions? 605-201-7005 or vanderbrinkauctions.com.